8562 minus 4141. Now 2 is greater than 1, so obviously we can subtract it. So 2 minus 1, there will be answer 1. Here is again 6 is greater than 4, so 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Then 5 is also greater than 1, so 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. And here 8 minus 4 is equal to again 4. So our answer is 4421. 8008 minus 2005. Now 8 is greater than 5, so 8 minus 5, there will be 3. 0 minus 0, there will be 0. 0 minus 0 again, there will be 0. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 9876 minus 6999. Now we are subtracting. Now see here, that is 6 is smaller than 9. So what we have to do, we have to take a borrow from the tens place. So here will remain a 6 and borrow is a 10. So this is a 10 and this will be 6. So 10 plus 6 will become a 16. So 16 minus, here is a 16 is greater than 9. So we can subtract easily. So 16 minus 9, there will be 7. Now here is a 6, here is again 9. So again borrow. So here will be 7. And borrow as a 10, so 10 plus this 6 will become 16. Again 16 minus 9, there will be 7. Now here is a 7, again borrow, so again here will remain 8. Then here will become 17. Now then 17 minus 9, how much will be there? 8. So last digit is, that is 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So our answer is 2877. 8800 minus 5990. Now again the same subtraction. Now here 0 minus 0, there will be 0, correct? Then here is a 0, here is a 9. 0 is smaller than 9. So obviously we have to take a borrow. Here will remain a 10. Borrow as a 10. So this 10 and the 0 will become a 10 only. 10 plus 0 will become 10 only. So 10 minus 9, there will remain a 1. Now here is a 7, which is also less than 9. So here again we are taking a borrow. Here will remain a 7 and the borrow as a 10. So 17 minus 9. So 17 minus 9, there will be obviously 8. Here is a 7 and here is a 5. So 7 minus 5, the answer is 2. So our answer is 2810. Suppose the first example is, that is 7444 minus 5123. So 7444 minus 5123. Now you can subtract. Obviously 4 is greater, so 4 minus 3, there will be 1. Again 4 minus 2, there will be 2. Again 4 minus 1, there will be 3. And 7 minus 5, there will be 2. 2321. 8989 minus 3535. 8989 minus 3535. 9 is greater than 5. Obviously 9 minus 5, there will be 4. Then 8 minus 3, there will be 5. Then 9 minus 5, there will be 4. 8 minus 3, there will be 5. So our answer is 5454. Is 9970 minus 2690. Now, so we'll write the same example using the column method, that is 9970 minus 2690. Now we can solve the example. Now 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Now 7 is smaller or greater than 9? Obviously is a smaller than 9. So we will take a borrow. So here will remain 8 and here will become 10 as a borrow, and this 7 will become 17. So 17 minus 9, there will be 8. Then 8 minus 6, there will be 2. And the last one is 9 minus 2, there will be 7. So our answer is 7280.
These are the some examples. You have to solve them and write your answer in a comment box. Okay, good day. Thank you.